Congressman Arnie Tevez po ay hindi naman po nag-expose ng ganung napakalaki pong mga pangyayari na nakapagdulot po ng kalungkutan sa ating mga mamamayan.
Totoo po yan at alam ninyo na sang-ayon po ako sa sinasabi ninyo.
Magbigay po tayo ng mas akmang halimbawa, Mr. President. Section 17 po ng ating Republic Act 9851. Ito po yung Philippine Act on Crimes Against International Humanitarian Law, Genocide, blah, blah, blah. Sa Section 17 po, Mr. President, sinasabi, the state, ang Pilipinas po, shall exercise jurisdiction over persons, whether military or civilian, suspected or accused of a crime defined and penalized in this Act, regardless of where the crime is committed, provided any one of the following conditions is met. Una, the accused is a Filipino citizen. The accused, regardless of citizenship or residence, is present in the Philippines, or the accused has committed the said crime against a Filipino citizen. Ito po yung bone of contention. In the interest of justice, the relevant Philippine authorities may dispense with investigation or prosecution of a crime punishable under this Act if another court or international tribunal is already conducting the investigation or undertaking the prosecution of such crime. Instead, the authorities may surrender or extradite suspected or accused persons in the Philippines to the appropriate international court, if any, or to another state pursuant to the applicable extradition laws and treaties. Mr. President, anong bahagi po nung binasa ko ang nag-apply kay former President Rodrigo Duterte?
Kapakiwari ko po, wala. Ngunit, ang pagkasabi ng dating DOJ Secretary Remulla na ito ang nagbibigay daan para sa pag-aresto, sa kidnap at sa extraordinary rendition ni President PRRD without any warrant of arrest or any order issued by a Philippine court. So in my opinion po, and clearly from the transcript of the investigation conducted by this body, then Secretary Remulla appeared to be of the stance that an administrative arrest can be done under the word surrender. This is a case of first impression. There is nothing in our laws that convinces me that this is the case, and because of that, I filed a case against him for usurpation of judicial functions, arbitration